I'm gonna mess up this Rubik's Cube. Okay, mixed it up. Did all the thing. Oh, I just put all those whites back together, so give me a second. Okay, mixed it up. I'm gonna solve this Rubik's Cube now. There is my solved Rubik's Cube. And then I feel like the thing I learned from this assignment that will benefit me most as a future teacher is how real a growth mindset is. Like obviously I've always been told throughout all of school and even in these classes I'm taking here at BYY, it was always just like growth mindset, it's real, better than fixed. And it was like, I always knew that a growth mindset was true, but this Rubik's Cube assignment kind of solidified that knowledge and kind of helped me gain my own testimony of it. Just because right at the beginning I was like, I don't want to do this, I don't see the benefit in it, I kind of thought it was funny. But now it's kind of like, I see that I can do things and I can overcome challenges when I apply myself to them and when I work hard and focus on it. It also helped me understand the importance of consistency and hard work. Like week 1, I was doing it because I was so stressed. I was like, there's no way I'm going to be able to get this by the end of the semester. And so I was looking up my videos on YouTube, I was looking at all the things, and so week 1, I got the white side solved. And I was like, I got this. This is easy, child's play, I ain't gonna worry about it. And I didn't pick up my cube for probably till about week 10. And then I go to do the steps that I had already learned and I kind of forgot them. I was like, oh, that's not good. And then the next steps after that came after were a lot harder than the first couple steps, and so the last couple weeks were kind of stressing, and I was really nervous I wasn't going to be able to solve it. And so this also made me realize how important consistency is, and being consistent in your hard work if you want to be able to develop and keep these habits that you are working on making, or skills that you are wanting to learn. Consistency is key. But yeah, I just feel like the growth mindset was the biggest thing and the most impactful thing, because I now recognize when I'm talking to people and they're like, oh, well, I just can't do that. And I think many people have fixed mindsets. That's just kind of what it is. A fixed mindset is easier than a growth mindset, so a lot more people have fixed mindsets. But I've started to realize I'm standing up more for people being like, well, you can't do that yet. Like, we can always learn and we can always grow, and we're on this earth to learn and grow and to gain new skills and knowledge. So I was very grateful for this assignment. At first, I kind of thought it was a weird assignment. I was like, well, that's kind of weird, but okay. But I am very grateful, and I'm grateful for the knowledge. And now I know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, so that's kind of cool too.